Soup curry is a type of curry-flavored soup served with lightly fried vegetables. Bone-in chicken is browned and stewed with vegetables and spice. This is different from a typical Japanese curry, but it's also very popular. For ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. First, salt the chicken. We are using chicken legs with skin on, cut up into pieces. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Slice onion thinly. Cut the carrot into wedges. And cut the potato into 6 to 8 pieces. These will go into the soup and we will prepare the vegetable for topping later. Grate the garlic and ginger. In a pot, heat the oil over medium-high heat and cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly browned. Add the sliced onion, then carrot and potatoes, and cook for a couple of minutes. Add ginger and garlic. Next, we are adding the seasoning: curry powder, garam masala, and cumin powder. Then cook for another couple of minutes and pour the chicken broth in. Cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes until chicken becomes tender. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the vegetables for toppings. Cut all vegetables into large pieces. You can use any vegetables you like. Today we are using kabocha squash, asparagus, lotus root, and red bell pepper. And we are going to lightly fry them in a frying pan with oil until they are cooked through. But you can also roast the vegetables in the oven or steam or boil them instead of frying if you like. And set them aside. Now the curry looks good. Add the salt and pepper to taste and serve in a bowl. Unlike a typical Japanese curry, rice will be served in a separate bowl for this dish. Top with the fried vegetables and add a boiled egg on top if you like. If you like regular Japanese curry, you will love this soup curry. Even if curry is not your favorite, give this one a try anyway because it's very different. Hope you like it.
美味しい。美味しいね。